Hello everyone, I'm Axel Wittek, and in this video we take a look at how we store mounting patterns for cable ducts and DIN rails, and then output them via the WSCAD production interfaces. If we open the part management and open the properties of the part, we also find a line mounting pattern here. Here we can now specify whether it is a DIN rail or a cable duct. In this example, it is a cable duct. The length and the width are already taken from the part data. By clicking on plus, I now create the first mounting pattern and place it very roughly on purpose. Now I select the mounting pattern again and can configure the properties. So I can first define whether it should be a thread, and if so, which one. Or whether it should perhaps only be a hole, and then in this example, with the respective diameter. I also have the X field here. The X field is the distance from the left edge to the first hole center. In my example, this will be 12.5 millimeters. And then we also have the X distance. This is the distance between the holes. This is 25 millimeters. The Y distance is now the distance from the bottom edge to the center of the hole. Here this is half the width of the channel, so that it is exactly in the middle, so that the mounting pattern is exactly in the middle. So 40 millimeters. And then that was it for the properties. In the production area, I can now specify which holes in the drilling sequence are to be drilled. It probably makes no sense to have a hole drilled every 2.5 centimeters. So I select that perhaps only every third hole is drilled. That's all for our first drilling sequence. I can create more, or after clicking on a particular drilling sequence, i.e. a pattern, I can of course also delete it. I now confirm this window with OK. Also here I close my part management. And now I add a cable duct, exactly the one we have just created. I'll place it right in the middle here. And I'll do without any other components to keep the example simple and clear. I now use our production interface for the transfer Steinhauer ECAP system. Click here on Next and confirm the export here. If we now take a look at this export, we notice that there are no holes in the cable duct, i.e. they are not included. However, this is not important because this interface takes the information from exactly this line that was transferred here.